El siguiente regalo.
This is the last one. Yay! Does it come with a book? Or I'm going to have to figure it out by myself?
You can go online and check it out.
There it is.
Yep.
Now I have something to do on the video game for myself. Thank you. Yay.
Good. Now, el siguiente regalo. This is not for me.
You don't have any more, do you, baby?
No, this is the last one.
Is this, let me make sure that this is all Grace.
Son regalos para su amiga Diana y su hija. El último regalo mío para Ana.
Light bulbs. Digital camera! Yay! It's sealed, I can't get to it. Now we can take real pictures.
Yeah. Oh no, wait. Like this. And like this.
Okay, I'm not going to mess with it because it has software. Does it work?
Yeah, of course it works.
Awesome. It's little.
It's little, but it's good.
And it's got everything.
Yeah.
Thank you. Now we're going to keep this one away from Isla. Thank you, baby. Okay. Hey, listen. Let's go do socks. You're making a mess. If she gets into this today, we're in trouble. Isla, guess what? You have to go open your sock. Come on, we all have socks.
Vamos a abrir los
Let's
míos.
go, there's
Come
more.
here. More. There's more, there's more. Let's go. There's more. Más regalos, más regalos.
Is this Isla's sock?
Yeah. Vamos a ver sus medias de Isla, sus medias.
What's in there?
What's in there, Isla?
Open it up.
Abre. Abre las medias. What is it?
Ooh, what's that?
That's a Krabby Patty.
Krabby Patties.
Oh, cookies.
Uh-huh.
Cookies.
Cookies son galletas.
Marshmallow candy. Krabby Patties. What else is in there? She wants to get straight to you. You want to eat one? You want a Krabby Patty?
Okay.
Hang on.
Oh, nice. Thank you, Daddy.
Mama.
Daddy. Thanks.
More, there's more in your sock. Like, sort of. Oh, wow, what is
Oh,
it?
bath toys.
Juguetes para el baño. More Krabby Patties.
Daddies. Hello.
Here, give it to me.
That's it?
No, there's more. There's more in there. She's eating Krabby Patties. There's more in there. Go get it.
Oh, wow. It's a hat with mittens. Es una gorrita con guantes para el frío.
Something else in there.
Oh.
Yummy.
That's it?
No, there's more.
Go get more, Isla. There's more.
Here. This is pure sugar. Candy.
There's more. There's more. Go
More,
get.
baby. What's in there?
Oh, it's an egg.
Egg.
Es un huevo. Un huevito de chocolate. That's it?
Yeah. I'm gonna put it back.